Here's a truth nobody tells you. You're not lazy. Your brain is literally wired to choose comfort over growth. And until you understand this psychological trap, you'll keep losing to procrastination no matter how motivated you feel. In this video, I am going to show you 3 real psychological mechanisms that secretly control your discipline, and how high performers use them to stay consistent without relying on motivation. You make a plan. Then you quit after 2 days. You promise yourself you'll go to the gym. But you don't show up. You say just 5 minutes on your phone. And suddenly, it's 2 hours later. This isn't a motivation problem, it's a brain chemistry problem. Your brain is built for survival, not success. Every time you scroll social media, eat junk food, or chase instant pleasure, your brain releases dopamine quickly. But when you study, work out, or build skills, dopamine is delayed. And your brain has one simple rule: easy reward beats delayed reward. That's why you procrastinate, not because you're weak, but because your brain is trying to conserve energy. Scrolling equals instant pleasure. Working out equals delayed satisfaction. You fail because you lack discipline. You fail because your identity hasn't changed. Most people say, I'm trying to be consistent. High performers say, I am a consistent person. Your brain follows identity more than goals. When you change who you believe you are, your behavior starts aligning automatically. Motivation is temporary. Systems are permanent. The biggest mistake people make is starting too big: 2-hour workouts, 5-hour study sessions. Your brain sees that as a threat and resists. The real solution is micro-habits. Start like this. Day 1, 5 minutes. Day 3, 10 minutes. Day 7, 20 minutes. You're not forcing discipline, you're training your brain slowly. Starting today, do these 3 things. Keep your phone in another room before sleep. Follow the 10-minute discipline rule. Just start small. Write 1 sentence daily. I am a disciplined person. This may sound simple, but neuroscience calls it identity reinforcement. The moment you realize the problem isn't you, it's your brain patterns, you gain control. And if you want more videos about brain psychology, self-control, and mental mastery, subscribe now, because the next video will expose the hidden habits that silently destroy your focus every day.